Today in the Let's Learn classroom, we're going to be learning about factors and multiples. Now, don't start laughing at my pictures. I'm not an excellent drawer when it comes to frogs and monsters. Yes, that's right, we're going to be talking about frogs and monsters in our factors and multiples lesson today. Now, first thing you need to know is that factors are small numbers that can fit inside another number. Okay, we're going to remember that by using my factor frog. Okay, because factors and frogs sound, they've got the same sound, haven't they? Factor, frog. And we all know a frog is really good at jumping. Now, factors can jump inside another number. Let me show you what I mean. Let's start with the number 10. Which numbers can jump inside the number 10? Well, number 1 can jump inside the number 10 because 1 times 10 makes 10, so I can have 10 as well. I can have, does the number 2 fit in? Yes, it does. 2 times 5 makes 10. Does the number 3 fit in? Let me practice my 3 times table. 3, 6, 9, 12. No, it doesn't fit into my number 10. Does 4 fit in? 4, 8, 12. No. Does 5 fit in? 5, 10. Yes, it does. It fits in twice and I've already got it. That's because factors come in pairs. Okay? So when you're finding your factors, you should usually be able to find factor pairs. So just to recap, factors, when we think factors, we think frogs. Frogs jump. We're looking for small numbers that jump inside our number. Let's move on to multiples. Yes, I know what you're thinking, multiple monsters. What is she on about? Well, multiples and monsters, let me write down monsters so you remember. Okay, have lots in common. Monsters have got, oh, this one hasn't, let's change his mouth. Have got very big mouths and they like to eat numbers to become bigger. Let's see what I mean. If we put the number 10 into my monster, he starts growing and growing and growing by that amount. So we're going to be counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All of those are multiples of 10. Okay? Let's try a different number. Let's rub out my factors over here. Remember, factors come in pairs. And let's rub out my multiples. This time we'll try the number 12. So have a think, which numbers can jump inside the number 12? Well, the first pair is going to be 1 and 12. Can you see if number 2 fits in? Does 2 go into the number 12? Yes, it does. 2 times 6 makes 12. Brilliant. Does 3 fit in? Let's see. 3 times tables. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes, it does, and its partner is 4. Does 5 fit in? 5, 10, 15. No, it doesn't hit my number 12. Does 6 fit in? Yes, it does. I've already got it, which tells me I found all of my factor pairs that I need. Fantastic. Let's try the multiple monster. This time we're going to put the number 12 in his mouth. Multiple monsters, they get bigger and bigger and bigger. What numbers are going to come out? Okay, so first of all we've got 12. Then we've got 24, because we're counting in our 12 times tables. 12, 24, 36, 48. I imagine you could go on and on and on. That is my quick lesson on factor frogs and monster multiples. I hope that helped you all because it's a tricky concept to know. All right,